Welcome back again with this. We are continuing with the series of transformation of sentences, part 1, where we are changing from positive to negative sentences. And अब तक हमने 7 techniques देख लिए हैं. So this is the 8th technique, और 8th technique में कुछ sub parts है which we are going to deal more in this video. So suppose let's quickly go to the example. अगर आपके sentence start होता है only से, only the God can help us. So if it is starting with only and there is a reference of a person, okay, so only if you are putting before a person, उसको अगर हमको negative करना है, so without changing the meaning, what we can write, none but, and then as it is you continue. So none but the God can help us. Let's see one more way, that if it is alone, for example, he was alone alive in the house. So in this alone, which comes after the noun, after the person, okay, agar after the person and verb hai, he was, he is the pronoun, is the person, was is the verb. After that, if you have, he was alone alive in the house, okay, वो एकमात्र जीवित इंसान था उस घर पे. So how we are going to do it in a negative? None but he was alive in the house. So again we are going to do that. We are going to start with none but he was alone, he was alive in the house. So that's one thing. Now just a little bit difference और ये है कि अगर this is, we are talking about person, अगर इसमें thing, if there is a thing that only the monsoon causes rain in our country, so that time we cannot write none because monsoon is a thing, okay, it's an object we can, or condition we can think, okay. So what we are going to do, nothing but the monsoon causes rain in our country. So यहाँ पे whenever there is a person we are doing none but, and where there is a thing we are going to say nothing but. So none but for person and nothing but for object thing. So this is the way. And एक और भी एक change है जहाँ पे अगर if it's a age, it's a percentage, it's a age, okay, or any kind of idea you are saying and there is only. So ये जो 8th technique है, we are only talking about only, right? Only talking about only. So here only we are going to do that he was only 45 years old. So how we are going to say, he was not more than or less than 45 years old. So you can say he was not more than 45 years old, or you can say he was not less than 45 years old. So दोनों का मतलब same हो जाएगा. So for only, if there is a age involved, there is a percentage involved, so you can use not more than or not less than, okay. So here I said not more than or not less than. If it's a thing, if it's a thing, then it should be nothing but. If it's a person, or if it is there is alone, so none but. So stay tuned, will be coming few more videos regarding this changes.